Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a JavaScript project on digital clock. Let us begin. Let us first see the requirements. You will be requiring a VS Code IDE and some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS for designing the interface. Let us now understand the working of the source code. Here is my HTML file, the CSS file and the JavaScript file. Now starting with the HTML file, over here is the basic structure of the HTML, and this is the very basic code to display the hours, minutes and seconds of the clock, and I am concatenating it with the AM and PM. Okay, I have provided the IDs to each of this, and for designing the this div over here I have named it in the class, named the class as container. Now to link the style sheet, you need to go over here in the head tag and link it like this. And to attach the JavaScript code, I have attached over here the script code, and this is the name of the JavaScript file. Now over here is the design. You can design it in your own way. This is the JavaScript video, so I'm not diving into the code of the CSS. You can play with the properties over here and style it in your own way. Now moving on to the JavaScript file. Okay, this is the function over here, the display time. What it does, it extracts the data of the computer clock, the date. It makes an object and save it in this variable date. Now using the functions, the get hours, get minutes and get seconds, it extracts the hours, minutes, seconds respectively, and we are saving it in these variables. Now simply what we are doing is changing the HTML code using this line, the document dot get element by ID, the ID is session, and dot inner HTML, we are changing it to PM if the hours are greater than 12, else it will remain the same, AM. Now and what we are doing over here is we are extracting the hours data over here, and we are saving it in the we are changing the HTML data with the ID hours, and same with the minutes. uh, what I am doing over here is if the seconds are less than 10, okay, then I am concatenating with the 0, so it does not appear like 1 2 3, and instead of it appear like 0 1 0 2 0 3. Similarly, I am doing it with the minutes, and this particular function is called over here in this inbuilt function set interval. It takes the function and milliseconds. So every 1 second, it will call this method display time, and this method will run. Now let's run this code. Okay, you can see over here that it matches the computer clock over here. Okay, the code is working fine. Okay, this is it. I hope you understood the working of the code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting project ideas.